Today we have the Play-doh Super Tools kit with 3 tools and 3 sets of Play-doh. Comes with the, what is that called, Sam? The dial-and stamper, the twirl-and twister, and the squeeze-and popper. Which one is your favorite?
East.
The squeeze-and popper? Is that your favorite?
Oh, East.
Yeah, how do you use it?
East?
Yep, how do you use it? You squeeze it and then it pops out. Can you show us?
Oh.
Just like that? Oh, you're cutting it out? Oh, you're cheating. How do you do it, buddy? Let's see here.
Right. Stop.
Did you get it out? Here, let's try this.
You cut it out.
You cut it out? Whoa, you have so many stars and triangles. Here, let's see here. Hang on.
Me.
Are you going to do it? You're going to smash it? Whoa.
Me.
Okay, you're going to do it? Push it down and then twist. Uh-oh. The whole bottom came off.
You can only twist it one way.
Yeah, apparently. And then, are you going to squeeze it? Squeeze the end. Whoa, you're breaking it, buddy. There you go. What did you make? A triangle? What do you have there, buddy? Do you have the twirl and twister?
Mm-hmm.
How do you do it?
Oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Do you like this set that you got at speech class?
No.
Yeah? Where's the top? There it is.
Please stop.
You need help? Good job. Oh, it's coming out. Look at that, Sam. That's so cool. What are you going to do with that? You made a braid. You're going to cut it off?
Uh-huh.
Very cool, Sam. Can you show me? Oh, that's cool.
Apple.
You made an apple?
This apple.
Oh, is it yummy?
It's my first time.
That's your first time using it? Do you like it?
Oh, I made these someday. Oh, these are dirty.
You saw somebody use it yesterday?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, on the iPad.
Yeah. And someday only they didn't need.
They were using it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, how do you use that, Sam? That's the dial and stamper toy. You smash it down. Oh, you made an X. That's cool.
Big,
A big one. What else can you make with it? You're gonna cut it off? What all are you making?
the amount is this
You're gonna make a pizza? Oh, and then are you gonna stamp all your toppings? I think this box is what, from the early 90s, huh? It's from my childhood.
And I'm done.
Well, it's your childhood now, isn't it? 2 generations get to use this toy. You almost have your pizza, huh? What color is that pizza, Sam? It's not orange, you silly boy. It was orange at one point, huh? Before you combined all those colors. Was it green?
I'll eat toppings.
All the toppings? Are you going to use your stamper, Sam?
I eat.
The stamper.
Eat.
Oh, you're going to make some anchovies?
Yeah. These are two fish.
Alright, Sam, I think I'm going to turn this off. Do you like your new toy? You've got the, let's see, there's the back of the box. The Super Tools kit from Play-doh. Sam, which one's your favorite?
These are.
No, the pizza box not with it, silly. Which one? The pizza box is your favorite? Of the 3 new stamper tools, which one do you like?
Two.
The 2? Can you show me which one you like the best?
This one.
That one? Oh, you like the twirl and twister?
And these are that.
And the pizza box, which is not from this set. Well, very cool. All right, Sam, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Goodbye.